What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could practice and master 30 sentences that English speakers use every single day? And by the end of this lesson, these sentences will start to flow naturally from your mouth, almost without thinking. Hi everyone, I'm Mia, and this is English Snap. Today, I'm going to share with you part 1 of my real daily routine. From the moment I wake up until I start work. But here's the exciting part. You're not only going to listen, you're going to shadow me. Now, if you've never tried shadowing before, get ready to discover one of the fastest, most powerful techniques for becoming fluent in English. Here's how it works. You listen carefully to me, and then you repeat exactly what I say. Copy my rhythm, my tone, my speed. Don't stop to think too much about grammar. Instead, let your mouth and your ears work together. This way, your brain learns the real flow of English, just like native speakers use it. Think of it like training your muscles at the gym. At first, it feels strange or difficult, but the more you repeat, the stronger your English muscles become. Soon, these sentences will come out of your mouth smoothly, as if they were always part of your vocabulary. Today's lesson is simple but powerful. I'll give you 30 everyday sentences, the exact ones I use in my own routine, from morning until work time. These are not boring textbook examples. These are sentences you can actually use in your life, starting today. And once you shadow them with me, they'll stick. They'll become part of your natural speaking. And don't worry if you can't follow perfectly at first. That's completely normal. Just relax, listen closely, and keep repeating. Each time you practice, it gets easier. Step by step, you'll start to feel English becoming more automatic, more natural, and more fun. That's totally normal. Just do your best, and you'll improve with each sentence. Let's start shadowing. Let's start with my morning routine. Listen first, then shadow me. Ready? Let's go. Bien. I wake up at 7. I use every morning. At ours, the alarm clock rings loudly on my bedside table. At 3, I stretch my arms and yawn before getting out of bed. The 4. First, I drink a glass of cold water. 5. I brush my teeth for exactly 2 minutes. 6. I wash my face with warm water and soap. 7. I look at myself in the bathroom mirror. 8. I comb my hair and make it look neat. 10. I put on my comfortable morning clothes. 15. I make my bed before leaving the bedroom. Perfect. Can you feel how these sentences are starting to flow? Keep going. Your English speaking muscles are already getting stronger. 11. I go to the kitchen and turn on the coffee machine. 12. I make scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. 13. I eat breakfast while reading the news on my phone. 14. I drink orange juice and hot coffee. 15. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the sink. 16. I choose my clothes for work carefully. 17. I put on my favorite blue shirt and black pants. 18. I check the weather forecast on my phone. 19. I pack my lunch in a small container. 20. I grab my keys, wallet, and phone before leaving. Amazing. You're halfway through part 1. If you're shadowing with me right now, drop a heart in the comments. I want to see how many of you are practicing 21. I leave my house at 8:30 sharp. 22. I walk to the bus stop near my building. 23. I wait for the no. 12 bus to arrive. 24. On the bus, I listen to English podcasts. 25. I arrive at my office at 9. 26. I greet my colleagues with a friendly smile. 27. I check my emails and make a to-do list. 28. I attend 3 important meetings today. 20. During lunch break, I eat in the company cafeteria. 13. I work on my computer until 5. 0. Great job today. You've just practiced 30 powerful sentences that you can use in your daily life. Remember, don't worry about being perfect. What really matters is practice, repetition, and building your confidence step by step. The more you shadow, the more natural your English will become. Try to use at least 3 of these sentences in your real life today. For example, when you wake up tomorrow, say, I wake up at 7:00 every morning. Or when you're making breakfast, say, I make scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. The more you connect English to your daily routine, the faster it will stick. And don't forget, this is only part 1. In the next lesson, we'll continue with my evening routine. And I'll also share 5 secret phrases that will make you sound just like a native speaker. So keep practicing, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. You're doing amazing, and I can't wait to see you in the next video on English Snap.